everyone, and my name is Kimaya Ravindra Patil.
My name is Navya Vivek Mishra.
Today, we students of class 6D are going to present our exciting project on electricity and circuit.
The purpose of our project is to demonstrate how to make simple circuits, how do they work, and the role each component plays while making this circuit. We are going to differentiate between open and closed circuit.
As Kimaya said, circuit is a closed path through which electrical current flows.
Battery provides energy through the copper wire and lights the
This is a small electric bulb which flows when we will connect it from battery.
Now we will see our project in action. I join this battery with the wire. The bulb glows. This is called an closed circuit. But when we remove the connection, the bulb goes off as now circuit is open.
Keep your time. The speed of electricity is close to the speed of light, nearly 760 million miles per hour.
Human body is a conductor of electricity. That's why we get electric shock.
Do you know that electric circuit can be as small as few micrometers? For example, microchips.
A small microchip can make millions of circuits at a time. Circuits, wire dance, connecting to a world, digital trans. Bits and bytes, they flow like stream, power in dream, in silicon dream.
In the take where they show us path, enabling innovations day by day.
They bring us close in one click and join us together in a very nice link.
A electric switch is like a light which have a path